Hey everyone, it's Jack from the engineering team at Weeldi, and today I wanted to make a video showing to you guys one of our new features, which is the advanced search feature. And this is designed to help you guys design and filter all of your jobs in your instance in order to quickly access the results that you need. So you'll find the advanced search feature by navigating to the jobs page and with this button right here. Here you could always access any filters that you have saved. I have an example here that will show me all of my AT&T and Verizon wireless jobs that have run in the last 3 days. If I click on it, the filter is automatically applied. You could also, at any time, you could bookmark your different searches that you have saved, and you could access those by clicking on this arrow in the jobs page, and at any time from anywhere in the application, you could access that filter automatically. You can see here it's filtering by only AT&T and Verizon jobs that have a latest run timestamp that's within the last 72 hours. So I'll go back to jobs and show you guys the different filters that you could use. The options are pretty endless, and so you could get out of this whatever you want. For example, you might want to say something like, give me all of the jobs that have run in the last 3 days, and we only want the jobs that have a latest result of failed. So basically what this is going to do is for all the jobs that have run in the last 3 days and have a latest result of failed, it's going to show those. And so this could be helpful if you're trying to troubleshoot what jobs exactly are failing in recent times and you want to address those exactly. You could click on save to give it a name, save it, and once it's saved you could bookmark it and you'll see it shows up in that same drop down. So anytime that you come to Weeldi, all you have to do is click on this and you'll see all the jobs failing in the last 3 days. Again, the options here are pretty endless, so I hope you guys find this useful. That's it for this video. Happy automating, everyone.